Why are there so many people driving on the wrong side of the road? Stick around. This is what happens when you're not paying attention at a traffic light. The daily joys of the chaos zone right before the interstate.
Traffic cheater.
Did you realize there was a traffic light behind you with a protected left-hand turn? There's no better way to start your day than running across someone performing a questionable U-turn. Come on, people, we're 2 months into this school year. You should know to be on the lookout for buses. It looks like it was a popular week to ignore school buses.
Gore point violation. Zipper merge failed.
How do you make morning rush hour worse? Of course, throw in some double parking.
Hey, buddy, there's a parking space behind you.
Whoa, hello. And now it's time for Atlanta's favorite pastime, red light running. I wonder how that big can of Red Bull affects the aerodynamics of this vehicle. Why does right turn only confuse so many people? And finally, this was a banner week for seeing people on the wrong side of the road. I think it comes down to two things: impatience and inattentiveness. It's far too common to see people making an improper left-hand turn or merging on the wrong side of the road. Finally, we'll end with these two drivers overtaking a bus in a no passing zone.